Hello friends, this is Saikirti DSK. I hope you all are fine. So today I came with a new topic, effect of plastic in our daily lives. So guys, as you know that plastic had become an important part of our life. As anywhere we go, मतलब हम जहाँ कहीं भी जाते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ प्लास्टिक से बनी हुई चीज़ें का इस्तेमाल करते हैं। और लास्ट 1 डेकेड से तो प्लास्टिक का इस्तेमाल करना इतना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो चुका है ना. इट मीन्स वी कैन से दैट इन ह्यूमन्स डेली लाइफ प्लास्टिक हैड बिकम ए पार्ट, as scientists are warning that due to this dangerous diseases may cause such as cancer. लेकिन उसका उपयोग करना भी तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो चुका है. द मेन रीज़न ऑफ यूसेज ऑफ प्लास्टिक इज इट्स रीजनेबल रेट, चेंजेस इन लाइफ स्टाइल्स एंड abundancy. As before some decades, the plastic usage was less. Instead of plastic, we used woods, metals, and etc. According to the survey, 38 crores of people stay in urban areas, and as per the estimation, it reaches to 60 crores in 2030. According to estimation, and urbanization wastage may get triple until 2030 because of the demand and preference of people to plastic. The wastage may increases. और एक सवाल उठाया गया है कि अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो एयर, वाटर और सॉइल पोल्यूशन कैसा रोका जाएगा. इसके लिए तो प्लास्टिक वेस्टेज कंट्रोल करना काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वरना एनवायरनमेंट पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरा असर होगा. इसके लिए तो हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कई स्कीम्स भी शुरू किए हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंट्रल पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, बेस्ड ऑन 2017-18 estimation, 26,000 tons plastic wastage is happening, and from that 70% packaging products are turning to wastage very soon. These are completely destroying our environment. And notice this, only 10% of plastic is reused and recycled by us. And some plastic wastages takes nearly 450 years to decompose in the soil. And friends, क्या आपको पता है, every year in the seas and oceans, 80 lakh tons of plastic wastage is mixed, and till now 15 crore tons of wastage is in the seas. Once imagine how much huge amount of plastic it is. If this continues like this only, then definitely 101% in future, I mean according to estimation up to 2050, huge amount of plastic will be in seas and oceans. अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो समुद्र में मछलियों और अन्य प्राणियों से प्लास्टिक की काफ़ी ज़्यादा मात्रा होगी दोस्तों. और भारत में कई अध्ययनों के मुताबिक पीने के पानी में भी प्लास्टिक की मात्रा काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. एंड प्लास्टिक इन ए न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी इज लीडिंग टू मच मोर शॉक. ड्यू टू दिस several hormone problems, cardiac problems are causing. Based on Central Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climatic Environment Protection Law 1986, according to Section 3, 6 and 25 in 2016, terms and conditions were made for controlling plastic wastage. Again, it was came into force in the year 2018, and it is valued to those who create pollutions, I mean to industries and gram panchayats, consumers, producers, etc. These rules tell us that usage of carry bags which are made by recycled plastics are strictly prohibited. And the second thing is that the thickness of recycled plastic bag or any other should not be less than 50 microns. And also the central government made an agenda that until 2022, restriction of plastic cover which can't be recycled should be take place. And you know, many state government to restricted this. And also the products like plastic plates, glasses, straws, bags, cups, bottles should not be produced. That's why small household industries are producing eco-friendly products like bottles with bamboos and so many. Instead of plastic glasses, they are producing glasses with soil. Once think, when eco-friendly products are produced, then there are many chances to increase employment in rural areas. According to Asochan, Ernest and Young estimation 2019 and 2020, packaging companies are using plastics in a large amount. And also UNO had conducted an environment program in which it suggested 10 eco-friendly methods followed by 10 countries, that how to recycle and reuse. For all such type of works, the gram panchayats, municipalities should prepare a proper agenda. The industries should also produce reasonable products instead of plastic. This not only increase the chances of employment but also protects our environment and natural resources. From decades, the government is trying to control huge usage of plastic and control the pollution also. but failed to do that. To control these all obnoxious and poignant critics, the leader should make much more schemes, agendas, and laws and rules. Not only these, but also the public should also be aware of this. Then only it is possible to lead a pollution-free and beautiful life on this beautiful earth. And each and every person is responsible for the poignant situation which destroys our environment. So change yourself and bring awareness in the neighbors and all the people, and try to make eco-friendly environment and protect our earth. ठीक है, thank you friends, take care, bye.